Hello everyone, welcome to Zero Education. Today we're going to discuss about simple interest. In the first question we have a sum of money is 51200 at 12.5% per annum for 3 years. Find the compound interest. Here in this question I'll be doing two methods. One is ratio method and the second method is tree method. Here in the ratio method we have rate equal to 12.5%, it's equal to 1 by 8. This is 9 by 8. 9 is amount and 8 is principal, as we have told you. And then for 3 years we have 9 by 8 whole cube. This is 9 cube is 129 and then 8 cube is 512. The difference between amount and principal would be compound interest. This is 217. In the question we have this principal is rupees 51200, and then 5100, then 217 will be 21700, hence option A is correct answer. And then for tree method we have in the last video we have discussed tree method for 2 years. Today we are going to discuss for 3 years. And here we have principal, and then we have interest for first year, interest for second year. In second year we have interest for interest, and then for third year we have interest here, again interest here. We know that in third year the second year interest will be for will be principal again, and it will have interest again. So I'll write this 2 times interest, and then again here interest. Here we have in the principal we have 51200, and then the rate is 12.5, that is 1 by 8. We have 6400, again here 6400, because it is 1 by 8, here 1 by 8, this is 6400, again 1 by 8, this is 800, 1 by 8, that is 800, 1 by 8, this is 800, again 1 by 8, this is 100. Hence for compound interest for 3 years we are having 6400 plus 6400 plus 6400 plus 800 plus 800 plus 800 plus 100. Then we have 21700. This is option A. Friends, this tree method is very important. Do not think this is long. This method is very useful for calculating compound interest questions when we do not know principal but rate is given, or the difference between the compound interest and simple interest is given. So in the next question we have question number 2. Sum is lent out at 16.25% per annum. Compound interest. The difference between the compound interest and simple interest for 3 years is 557. In this question, the tree method will be the best method. So I'll be using the tree method. Here we have principal. Here rate is 16.2 by 3%. This is 1 by 6. This is principal. We have 1 by 6 here, 1 by 6 here, again 1 by 6, 1 by 6 here, again 1 by 6 here, 1 by 6, 1 by 6, again 1 by 6. Friends, let me change the pen color. We have this one is interest, then this one also interest. We know because we will write 1 here. This 6 is principal and this one is principal. This 6 here. We know that for this case this one will be the interest again. So this one is interest, that is 6 times, then this principal 6 will be into 6, that is 36. Also for this case, this principal, this 36 is interest, so this one interest is giving 36 by multiplying 36 times. Again, this principal will be giving 36, that is 216. Here we have 6 here, 6 here, because it is same, 36, 36. The question is saying the difference between the compound interest and simple interest for 3 years is rupees 57. Friends, here we know that this 36, 36, 36 is for simple interest for 3 years, and then this one is for compound interest for 3 years. That is compound interest for 3 years. So the difference between them will be this 6, 6 and 1. This 6, 6, 1 will be the difference between compound interest and simple interest for 3 years. Therefore, we have 3 years compound interest minus simple interest is 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 1. That is 6, 3, 6, 18, 19 gives rupees 57. According to question, this 19, 3 is 57. We have then the principal, that is 216, will be giving into 3, this is 846. Hence, option C is our correct answer. In the next question, we have the ratio between the difference of the compound interest and simple interest for 3 years and difference between compound interest and simple interest for 2 years, 31:10. Here we have 3 years compound interest minus simple interest is to 2 years compound interest minus simple interest is equal to 31/10. Here in this question, I'll be using the tree method again. This is principal. If this one is principal, the first year interest will be A. Let me name it A again. Second year A. Third year A. And then we have this interest. I will name it B again. B, because rate is same. B again for third year. 3 times interest is, let me name it C. Here we know that this one is simple interest for 2 years. Simple interest for 2 years or for 3 years, and this one is for compound interest for 3 years. Compound interest for 3 years. There is the difference between them will be this B, 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 and C. This one will be the difference. So I'll write here. The difference between them will be B plus B plus B plus C divided by, and then for 2 years we will have this. Let me correct this one. And then for 2 years I'll be having this compound interest. Compound interest for 2 years is A, and B, and compound interest for 2 years will be A and A. The difference between them will be that this B alone. So here I will write this B equal to 31/10. After when we solve this, 3B plus C divided by B equal to 31/10 equal to 30B plus 10C equal to 31B equal to 10C equal to B. This is C by B is 1/10 equal to 10%. Again, in the next question, we have the difference between the compound interest compounding half yearly for 1 year and the simple interest for 1 year on a certain sum of money lent at 8%, and it's rupees 64. Friends, we have compound interest, that is 8% half yearly. For half yearly, we will be dividing by 2, that is 4%. In 1 year, there is 2 half years, that is 2 times we'll be compounding the interest. So 4% is 1/25. Then for compound interest calculation, it will be 26, 25. This is amount, and this one is principal. For 2 years, we'll be taking 26, 25 whole square. This is 26 square is 676, and 25 square is 625. And then and then the compound interest will be 1 and 5. 51 will be the compound interest because this one is amount and this one is principal. And then let's say for compound or simple interest question, in simple interest we have 8%, that is 1 year, 8 by 100, that is 4 to the 8, 425 the 100, 2 by 24, 2 by 25. This one is interest and this one is principal. Here friends, please look at this. In simple interest case, we have 25 as principal. Here in compound interest side, we have principal as 625. These two cannot be different. These two is same because they are principal. So in order to get 625, we multiply here by 25, and then we have 25 into 25 is 625, and then if we multiply here by 25, then we should multiply here by 25, that is 25 to the 50. So this one is the interest, simple interest. Here we have simple interest, compound interest minus simple interest equal to 51 minus 50, that is 1 unit. If 1 unit is rupees 64, then the question is saying find the sum. The sum is 625 is into 64 will be giving 40,000. 40000. So option A is our correct answer. The next question we have the difference between compound interest and simple interest on the sum for 2 years rupees at 20% per annum is 200. The interest compounded halfly. Then what is the difference between compound interest and simple interest for 1 year? Here we have the compound interest is 20%. The rate is 20%, and then this is for 2 years. This is 20% is 1 by 5. This is 6 by 5, and for 2 years we'll be taking square. This is 6 is 36, 5 5 is 25, and then for simple interest we have 20% for 2 years. Is 20% is 1 by 5 into 2. This is 2 by 5. Again, this one is principal. Again, this one is the principal. This is 25 and 1 is 5. We must make it equal, so multiply her by 5. This is 25. If we multiply her by 25, we multiply her by 5. The 5 to the 10, therefore 10 by 25 here. Then if this one is the amount and this one is the principal, then the difference is compound interest. This is 1 1. So we have compound interest minus simple interest is equal to 11 minus 10. That is 1 unit. If 1 unit is rupees 200 according to the question, then the principal, that is 25, will be into 200. 25 to the 50. 5,000 is for principal. Again, for the next question we have if the rate is compounded half yearly, that is CI 20% half yearly, then divided by 2, this is 10%. So we know that 10% will be 1 by 10 and 1 by 10 for 2 years. This is 1 to 1 by 100. Again, for simple interest, we have 8 by 100. So here the principal is 100 and the principal is 100. I'm sorry, this one is 20%. Then 20% is 20 by 100. So here principal is 100. Principal here 100, and here is principal is 100. It is same. So this one is amount. The difference between them will be compound interest. This is 21. Therefore, compound interest minus simple interest is equal to 21 minus 20. This is 1 unit. We know that this compound interest 100 unit is rupees 5,000. 5,000, there is 0 0, then 1 unit will be 50. So our correct answer option is option A. The next question we have if the amount received at the end of second and third year as compound interest on a certain principal is 210, 2100 and 2267 respectively, what is the interest? Here we have friends, we know that in compound interest compound interest question, the third year, the second year interest will be the principal again for third year. So we have second year principal is interest is 2100, and then this one will be the principal, and then for third year interest, this is third year it is 2268. This one will be the amount so I can tell the difference is compound interest. So we have principal 2100, and then the difference between them compound interest is 861. So we have 7 to the 14, 7 for the 28, 20 the 21, we have 103, 8 the 24 is 8 by 100, therefore 8%. Hence, option A is correct answer. In the last question, we have a father left a will of 4,42,000 to be divided between his sons as 10 years and 12 years, such that they may get equal amount when it attains the age of 18 years. The compound interest 10% per annum. Find the find how much is get time of the will. So we have 4,42,000. Two sons be younger son and elder son, that is E, let me name them, and then we have their S, that is 10 and 12 years each, and then the maturity time will be 18 years, and then 18 years, and then the maturity period for this younger son is 8 years, and this elder son will be 6 years. So the rate is given, that is 10%, 10% each. Therefore, 10%, we know the 11 by 1 by 10, this is 11 by 10, 1 by 10, this is 11 by 10. We know this is for 8 years, this is for 6 years. In the question, we have the amount they get is equal, so the younger son amount will be y11 by 10 a equal to the elder son will get 11 by 10 to the power 6. We can cancel this 6 and 8. We have 2 power remaining. This is y11 by 10 whole square equal to elder son. This is y121 divided by 100 equal to elder son. The ratio between them is y by e equal to 100, 121. The total between them is 4, 221. This 221 unit is 4,42,000. The question is given 221 to 200. So we have each amount is the younger son. We have 100. So 100 will be 2,100. Then the elder son will be 10121. This 200, 2,000. This is 4, 2, 4, 2,000. So option A is correct answer, friends. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.